ये देखिए कक्षा 8 की किताब है द मैन हु वांटेड नथिंग। तो ये है वालिदाद, ये वालिदाद नाम है। वालिदाद वाज ए कारपेंटर हु लिव्ड एलोन एंड वर्कड हार्ड होल डे लॉन्ग he tested very simple and his wants few, so he spent very little of the money he earned. On one day he found that his jar is his, which he kept his money and full to his brim, a must empty it. He thought, or I shall have no contears from for my money. आगे है he took his jar to the local jailers emptied its contents on the floor and asked his jailer to give him a bracelet worth the sum. The jailers gave him a pretty little bracelet made of gold. Walidad wondered what he should do with the with the bracelet. He saw a merchant at the head of a line of camels laden with goods, and asked him where he was going. To the palace. And he reached merchant impotently. The princess had ordered some clothes. Will you give her his bracelet to said the carpenter, handing over the bracelet he had bought to him. Tell her it is a gift from Walidad. The princess liked the bracelet and sent him a camel lad of the finished skill in return. What will I do with these skill? groaned Walidad. When the merchant brought the heavily laden camel to him, give them so to someone else, suggested the merchant. आगे देखिए, आगे इसमें है इतना। देखिए हु perhaps a sultan of case. So Walidad sent the skill on to the sultan, who delighted with to gift sent him 6 of his finished horses. Walidad sent him on to the princess, who is the Walidad, and why is he sending me gift? She asked. For who is the Walidad and why? अच्छा फिर वही पढ़ दिया गया। एडवाइजर Probably somebody want to impress you with his with wealth. Wealth, said the advisor sent him a gift that he cannot match, that will humble him. Freed the prince sent him 20 mules laden with silver, not wishing to the burdened by so much wealth. Walidas sent the silver to see Sultan. The Sultan was perplexed. Who is this Walidad, and why he is sending me gifts? He asked his advisor. Probably somebody wanted to impress you with his wealth, said the advisor sent him a gift that he cannot match. What will humble his freeded the sultans and Sant Walidad 20 cartloads of precious stones, with which Walidad prominently rerouted to the princess. The princess, her curiosity curiosity decided to pay me a visit. She set out securely, taking only her mind with her. Dear encouraged lend him to the humble, traveling to the carpenter as they were looking around in. और इसको आगे पढ़ लेना, इसमें और इतना आगे है, चलो ठीक है पढ़ा देते हैं, थोड़े बचा है. लुकिंग अराउंड इन bewilderment, a handsome man of regal wearing come reading toward them. It was a sultan of Kashf. He too had decided to make the acquaintance देखिए acquaintance of the my stories. Walidad, the sultan and the princess fall in love with each other all first set after a short